This is my lecture on the calculation of regression equations. We know that there are two regression equations. One is the regression equation of x on y and the other is the regression equation of y on x. So we will be calculating the two regression equations. We take an example. Supposing we are given the x and y variables. X variable we write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y variable is 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. So first of all, you can start from any regression equation, like you write regression equation of x on y. The regression equation of x on y, it is written as x is equal to a plus by. And for forming this very equation, we have another modified equation. We use it, or x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. In this very modified equation, bxy is what? It is the regression coefficient. It is the regression coefficient of x on y. So we will be solving this very regression equation, and for this we need x bar, we need y bar, and we need bxy. So firstly, x bar is equal to sigma x over n. So we calculate sigma x, that is total of x is 15 divided by n. N means number of the number of items, it is 5. So 15 over 5 is 3. So x bar comes out to be 3. Next we calculate y bar. Y bar is equal to sigma y over n. That is, it is equal to total of y. Total of y is 25. So 25 over 5, which is equal to 5. So next we want to calculate bxy. The formula for bxy you can use is n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. So we will be putting the values in this very formula, and for that n is 5 into sigma xy. So we need x into y column. We make a new column x into y and we take total of it. It is 88. Next we need minus sigma x. We have already calculated 15 into sigma y. Again we have calculated 25. Divided by n is 5 multiplied by sigma y square. So we need to make another column y square. So we do the squaring of y column, we get y square column, and total of this is 151 minus sigma y. We have already calculated 25 whole square. So that means we have put all the values in this formula and we finally get the value of bxy, which is equal to plus 0.5. Now we have all the values x bar, y bar and bxy. So we will be using our modified regression equation, and this is x minus x bar 3 is equal to bxy 0.5 into y minus y bar is 5. So we will be solving this equation in this way that we take just x on left hand side and we will be taking all the other things on right hand side. So in this way x minus 3 is equal to, opening the bracket, 0.5 into y minus 2.5. Again x is equal to minus 2.5 plus 3 plus 0.5 y. So in this way we get the equation x is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 y. And which equation is this? It becomes the regression equation of x on y. Similarly, with the same steps, we are going to calculate regression equation of y on x. Now, regression equation of y on x is y is equal to a plus bx, or it can be written as y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Now, in this case, byx is another regression coefficient. It is the regression coefficient of y on x. So for solving this we need x bar, again y bar and byx. We have already calculated x bar and y bar. So now we need Byx. So using the formula, Byx is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y over n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. So we have calculated all the columns, but only sigma x square was left. So that means we'll be making another column, and that is x square. So this x square is calculated, and its total comes out to be 55. So we have all the columns with us, and we'll be using the totals of these, and we'll put the values in this formula. So we get 5 into 88 minus 15 into 25 over 5 into 55 minus 15 whole square. And finally by calculating we get Byx is equal to 1.3. So we have all the values x bar, y bar and Byx. So we use the values and we then calculate the regression equation. So the regression equation becomes y minus y bar was 5 is equal to Byx 1.3 into x minus x bar was 3. So solving it, and again we are going to solve it in such a way that we put y on left hand side and we take all other things on right hand side. So finally we get y is equal to minus 3.9 plus 5 plus 1.3x, or we solve it y is equal to 1.1 plus 1.3x. So in this way we have seen that we arrive at the two regression equation of x on y and regression equation of y on x. Now along with this, when we have calculated these equations, along with this you may be required to find the value of r. R is what? It is the coefficient of correlation. So this r is equal to plus minus under root of bxy into byx. Putting the values we get plus minus finally under root of 0.65. Now we are to take the sign which is the sign of both the regression coefficients, and here we see that both the regression coefficients are positive, and that is why we automatically in the last step take the sign as positive. So this is equal to positive 0.806. This is the final answer of coefficient of correlation R. Again you may be required to do some estimation, like estimate x when y is equal to 10. So you are given the value of y and you want to estimate the value of x. So how will you do? You will use the regression equation of x on y. So regression equation of x on y was x is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 y. So putting the value we get, therefore x is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 into 10, which finally comes out to be 5.5. So in this way you can estimate the value of x when value of y is given. Similarly, you can estimate the value of y when value of x is given, like in this case when value of x is equal to 10. So when you want to estimate y, then what you do is you use the regression equation of y on x. So y is equal to 1.1 plus 1.3x, which is equal to, finally we put the values, and therefore y is equal to 14.1. So in this very lecture you have seen that how regression equations can be framed, how they can be calculated, and how out of those regression equations we calculate the value of bxy, byx, and then we can find the value of r, coefficient of correlation, and after that you can do estimation also. You can estimate the value of x. Similarly you can estimate the value of y when the value of the other variable is given to you.